I got the valve covers up here. I got the old gaskets off. Still need to clean them up a little bit with a wire wheel. I got some brass ones. And I'm gonna start the process of cleaning these things all up and use some of this polish I got on them and try to get them all spiffed up so I can put them back on the car. So, cleaning up the valve covers for the 1979 Corvette. I got the valve covers back on after getting the numbers and all that. I went ahead and cleaned them up really good, as you saw earlier in the video there. So I just got them put back in there.